Welcome back to the Food Ninja. If this is your first time here, you are officially in for a treat. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you and God bless. Today we'll be making Afang Soup using firewood. Okay, we're not using no stove, no gas, no burner, nothing. We're using firewood. We're cooking it the traditional African village style because there is nothing on earth that tastes better than food cooked with firewood. Absolutely nothing. And the only person who will disagree is someone who has never tasted food made over open flames. There is a reason smoky jollof rice, Texas wood style barbecues, and fire grilled dishes are so popular. It all comes down to one thing: the rich, deep, smoky flavor that only firewood can create. That right there, that is grandma's secret weapon. That is why you can never outcook grandma. Firewood cooking is a flavor backed and supported by Mother Nature herself. Today we are bringing that ancient magic to life as we cook one of Nigeria's most iconic and beloved dishes, Afang Soup, a rich, bold, and flavorful masterpiece from the Calabar and Akwa Ibom people of Nigeria. As the flavors begin to build, sit back, relax, and enjoy the beauty of traditional African village cooking. If you love African food, village cooking, or firewood style recipes, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Food Ninja because I'm making an entire playlist dedicated to African village cooking. Thank you. Now you can either fry the water leaf or add it directly to your cooked proteins as shown in this video. Afang soup is one of the most nourishing dishes you can make because it brings together two powerful vegetables, fresh water leaf and pounded okazi, each contributing its own unique texture, flavor, and health benefits. When these vegetables meet a pot filled with layered proteins, the result is magic. For this recipe, we honor tradition by using a classic blend of proteins like tender beef, flavorful stockfish, smoky dry fish, soft cow skin, fresh periwinkle, and aromatic crayfish. To season the soup, we keep it true to its roots with simple but powerful ingredients like pepper, maggi, salt, onions, and vibrant red palm oil. Every ingredient plays its part, coming together in harmony to create one of Nigeria's most beloved soups, a dish that connects culture, memory, and flavor in every bite. If you are enjoying this video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification so you never miss a new recipe from the Food Ninja. And with the addition of palm oil, this soup is officially ready. That's it guys, just like that, your Afang soup is ready. Simple yet very delicious and very nutritious. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment and let me know if you grew up cooking with firewood or if you've tasted firewood cooking before. Until next time, stay blessed, stay hungry, and stay connected to your roots. See you in the next video. Bye bye.